Assalamu alaikum viewers. I hope that you are enjoying every moment of your life. Welcome to another video related to analytic geometry. Here it is given that value of the function at 2 is 1 and value of the function at an unknown number b is 4. Then the writer says that find the value of b, the unknown, so that the slope of the function, as function is a line, so slope of the line is 2. So we have to find value of b so that the slope of the line is 2. So how can we extract the information from? So f of 2 equal to 1 gives us the point 2 1. Then f of b equal to 4 gives us the point xb y4. We can name them x1 y1, x2 y2. Now the slope formula is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So by substituting values, y2 is 4, so slope is given 2. So 4 minus 1 divided by b minus 2 is equal to 2. From here, what we do? We shift b minus 2 from denominator on right side. So it becomes 2b minus 4, and then by sending 4 on left side, we get 7 on left side. Then we divide both sides by 2, so final value is 7 by 2. This is answer. And we are asked to find value of b. We found it. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please hit the like button, subscribe the channel, share the video, write comment right below. Thank you so much.